Hi everybody. In this video, I will explain to you how you can compute correlation between two variables. Correlation between two variables is the relationship between the variables, that how changes in one variable will make change in another variable, and what is the direction of it, and what is the strength of the correlation. Strength of the correlation that is between 1 and -1. How much values are close to 1, that indicates a strong positive correlation. How values are close to 0, that indicates weak correlation, positive. And if values are on the left side of the 0, that means in negative, that is negative correlation. Okay, let's see in this example. Okay, first of all, let's edit and put the values in center, highlight, and you can select it here and center, and now okay, it looks nice. So we want to compute correlationship between hours of study and percentage of scores in exam. So if a student has studied 1 hour, he got 50%. If student was studying 2 hours a day, he or she got 65%. 3 hours, 70%, and so on. If someone was studying 8 hours per day, the student secured 95%. So we want to see that how is this relationship. To understand this relationship, first we can see it by a trend line, that how is the trend, how data is there. You see, insert, go to the trend line, click it here, exam score percentage. Okay, click inside. When you click inside, you see here on the left corner, adds in the chart. So when you go there to add in the chart, here one minute, I have a phone call. So here you can add sorry, I was disturbed. Here you can add a trend line. So click on this. So this line is showing that how values are around a straight line. So this is the graphical interpretation. Now we come to our topic, that how we can find the value of R. That will tell us what is the strength of relationship. Is this positive, negative, strong, or weak relationship, or there is no relationship. As usual, I will tell you, if you are using Excel, click here on File, go to the option button here, click on that, and then go to Adds In. When you go to the Adds In, press on Go. This means that you are going to add a data tool package in your Excel. I have already added, so I'm not going to repeat it. So direct I go how you can compute it. Click on data. When you click on data, here is the button data analysis. In data analysis, different tools are available. So let's check where is correlation. So here is the correlation. So click on check, select correlation shape, click on OK. So now this dialog box or window is opening. This demands us to put our data. What is our input range? Our input range is our variable and data associated with the variable. So we have selected, these labels. So it is very important to check the labels. Next is the question where it should display our output. It can be on new worksheet. It can be on new workbook, in a new book of Excel. But here we have enough space. We want on the same page. So click inside. If you will not click inside this will not work. First, make sure that you are clicking inside this. Click inside this. Then select the cell where you want your output to be displayed. So let's see, here we want. So click on OK. So this is appearing here. So let's expand the cell to read it well. We have expanded. Okay. We don't need too much values after the decimal. 1 is enough, or 2 as you want. If you want 2, you can select from here. You can increase or decrease from these. So in this case, you can see that it shows that this is your R score, which is R score. Hour of study with hour of study 100% relationship, exam score percent with exam score percent, 100% relationship. This is not our subject. Our subject is here. So you can see R is equal to, this is the value of R, small r. R is equal to 0.98. So this is telling you that there is a positive and strong relationship between hours of study and scores obtained in percentage of scores obtained in exams. So you know it is very close to 1. You know that this is between -1 and 1. Range of R is between -1 and 1. In this case, this value is very close to 1. Okay. So when it is close to 1, you know, usually more than 0.75, that indicates a strong relationship. So you can say that there is a, what is your conclusion? There is a strong positive correlation between hours of study and percentage, shift 5, percentage in exam. Okay, so in this way you can explain this. So how many variables you have, this table will give you many combinations. Okay, so in this way you can use it. So I hope you have got it very well. So I will make another video that if you have 3 or 4 variables, then how you can make correlation. But so far between 2 variables, this is the method. You remember in manual calculation you are using a formula to compute Pearson correlation coefficient. You have done already in the class. So this is the method that with 100% accuracy you can calculate using Excel and you can report your answers.